Imagine sending birthday wishes or website down messages or price drop alerts automatically while you are sleeping. Welcome back to Naga Automates. Today we automate WhatsApp with Python. Let's start. First install required libraries pywhatkit and pyauto.gui. Import pywhatkit, it opens WhatsApp web and types the message. Import pyauto.gui, it presses the enter key automatically. Here I define the phone number with country code and then I write the message I want to send. Next, I get the current time and schedule the message 1 minute later. This gives WhatsApp web enough time to load properly. Now pywhatkit opens WhatsApp web and type the message. After that, I wait for a few seconds and use pyauto.gui to press enter. This actually sends the message automatically. Save it, run the script. Important notes. Make sure WhatsApp web is already logged in, the browser windows is active, and you don't touch the mouse or keyboard while the script is running. Watch the screen. Python opens browser, goes to WhatsApp, find the chat, types the message and boom, sent. You can put this in a loop to send messages to 100 clients, but don't spam. We can integrate this WhatsApp alert with your server monitoring, website down alerts or price drop scripts. If you like automation like this, subscribe to Naga Automates. Work smart, not hard.